Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change aspect ratio of photos taken through camera of our phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to camera and then here it is in photo mode. Okay, so photo aspect ratio can be changed by default. Now 3:4 aspect ratio is selected. If you want to change aspect ratio, click over this option and you have other three options. The second one is 9:16. Okay, it is useful for taking photos for YouTube and other standard applications. Okay, 9:16 will always be used for most of the photos. Okay, then if you click on 1:1, photo will be square. Okay, square size photo can be taken. If you use full, aspect ratio size will be according to your phone screen. Okay, according to the length and width of the phone screen, photos will be taken. Okay, it is better to use always 9:16. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.